Hey everyone! Welcome back to Techsplorer. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the iQOO 13, the latest flagship from iQOO. Known for its powerful performance and gaming capabilities, iQOO has taken things to the next level with this one. From an upgraded chipset to incredible fast charging and a gorgeous display, let's dive into what makes the iQOO 13 one of the most anticipated phones of 2024. Let's kick things off with the design. The iQOO 13 features a sleek and premium build with a 6.78-inch AMOLED display. It's expected to come with 144Hz refresh rate for buttery-smooth gaming and scrolling. With HDR10+ support and QHD+ resolution, the visuals are stunning, making it ideal for gaming, streaming, and everyday use. The slim bezels and a punch-hole camera complete the sleek look, giving it a modern edge. Now, when it comes to performance, the iQOO 13 doesn't hold back. It's powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, which is the latest in mobile processors. Paired with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 512 GB UFS 4.0 storage, this phone is a beast in terms of speed and multitasking. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or running multiple apps, the iQOO 13 will handle it all without breaking a sweat. The camera system on the iQOO 13 is equally impressive. It features a 50MP main sensor with OIS, optical image stabilization, for crystal clear shots even in low light. There's also a 12MP ultrawide and a 10MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, ensuring versatility for every photography need. On the front, the 32MP selfie camera offers great AI-enhanced photos and smooth video calls. Expect this phone to be a solid performer for both casual photography and more advanced shooting. Battery life is another area where the iQOO 13 shines. With a 5000 mAh battery, this phone will easily last you through the day, even with heavy usage. But what's more exciting is the 200W fast charging support. That's right. You can charge your phone from 0% to 100% in under 15 minutes. For wireless charging fans, it also supports 50W wireless charging, making it incredibly versatile. On the software front, the iQOO 13 will run FunTouch OS 14, based on Android 14. Expect all the latest Android features like improved customization options, smarter notifications, and enhanced privacy settings. The phone also supports 5G Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.3, so you're covered in terms of connectivity. Other features include an in-display fingerprint scanner, stereo speakers, and advanced gaming features like game mode for uninterrupted gaming sessions. So, is the iQOO 13 worth the hype? Absolutely! With a stunning display, flagship performance, incredible cameras, and blazing fast charging speeds, this phone has everything a tech enthusiast or gamer could want. Whether you're into gaming, photography, or just need a reliable device for everyday use, the iQOO 13 is a solid contender in the flagship market. What feature are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews and updates. Stay tuned to Techsplorer for more in-depth reviews of the latest gadgets. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment if you have any questions or want to see more reviews of the latest smartphones. Until next time, keep exploring the world of tech with Techsplorer. Peace.